Hello, Miss J Loc Miami family. Welcome back to another video. Don't forget to hit that bell, subscribe, and that thumbs up button so you don't miss any of my videos. So let's get into it. This is my homemade aloe vera lock and retwist gel that I use on all of my clients. I've been using this for years. I also have this available on my website. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. So what I am doing right now, I'm going to do a basic maintenance to her roots. Her roots don't need that much maintenance, so we are just going to retwist. As you can see, I'm applying not too much, just a little bit. This gel can last you for a very long time. It has a shelf life of 2 years, and I highly recommend this gel because it has been working for my clients and it doesn't cause any buildup. So you did see that I had a comb and I did part her roots because I like to see clean roots. So as I retwist, I like to roll the roots in itself. I don't do it too tight, and it's very easy for me to just go right back into it and style her locks. So you can see that I am doing a basic maintenance, and she does have some flyaways where some of the hair did not lock into the body of the lock. So what I would do, I would roll it into the lock and twist the roots just like that. So when we got to the top, I did realize she had some short hairs that were at the roots. So that's not a problem at all, as long as that hair grows. And like I said, when I twist the lock into itself at the roots, I don't want it to be too tight, because then with tension, that's when baldness comes in, and we are trying to prevent that. So you have to be very light-handed when it comes to retwisting without hairpins. Okay, I'm not doing it too tight. You always have to reassure the client and ask them, are they okay? And making sure that they are comfortable, because you don't want them leaving with their roots all tight. Most of the time they'll take it out, they'll complain, and you want to keep a very good reputation with your guest. Now this is the part I do not want you guys to miss. As you can see, I'm very light with the gel. I'm not oversaturating the hair, as long as the roots are wet, not too damp. We are at her edges now, and as you can see, I used a comb, and as you notice that I hold the root and then I palm roll. You have to be very mindful on how you twist the lock when you are at the edges. So let me try this again and show you. I hold the root, twist with my other finger, and then twist just like that. I forgot to mention, it's one of my daughters that's recording for me, so she was a bit wobbly, but she's getting better. Please forgive her, guys. So I'm going to get into those who suffer with weak edges. I would avoid tight hairstyles, pulling your hair back in a tight ponytail, and so forth. And I highly recommend satin bonnets, satin material, either a pillowcase or a satin head wrap, to make sure that your edges are comfortable, and the friction from cotton material will cause your edges to dry out, especially your hair, because cotton absorbs oil. So satin, and more satin, guys. So this client has been coming to me for about 8 years. My oldest daughter is 13, so she's been coming to me since my daughter was about 5 or 6, one of those. and we became very good friends. And I can say at least 80% of my clients were really, really cool. And I've found so many friends through this journey. And my job is to educate my clients on lock maintenance in between in between visits with me or whoever they decide to go to. But my job is to educate you and teach you about your hair, about your scalp, and so forth. And I love this job and I love it. I've made many friends and I've learned many things, and I'm willing to learn, and I'm also willing to teach. And here are the amazing results. We styled her hair into a lock petals in the front, and we also did lock barrels in the back hanging. Her hair is very heavy, so she just wanted half of it up. She also wanted a bang and some down. So this is what we came up with, and I am so in love with this hairstyle. Tell me what you guys think down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and